Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Thursday morning. It's Stephen Whiteside here from the uptrend.com. In the pre-market this morning, stock index futures are slightly below fair value. Certainly, there's not a lot of alarm here compared to some of the other days we've had. Yesterday turned out to be a wild day. Today, we're looking at jobless claims coming out at 8:30. Those numbers could certainly help change the direction of the market. Now, Wednesday turned out to be a bearish reversal day, and on a scale of 1 to 10, it was about a 5. Even though an enormous number of symbols had bearish reversal signals yesterday, most of them still closed positive on the day. So, if a bearish reversal signal can mark the top of a particular move, on a scale of 1 to 10, yesterday was a 5. There's a bearish reversal signal for the Vanguard Canada ETF. There's a bearish reversal signal for the iShares Global 100. Just two examples out of hundreds and hundreds that generated bearish reversal signals yesterday. We opened up, and since we gapped higher for the most part, the fact that we closed below where we opened still gave us a positive day for the market. So the headline was yesterday was positive. The subheadline was there was a big shift in the market in the afternoon. A lot of sellers came in going into the close yesterday. So now we're looking to see what happens next. Bearish reversal signals, bullish reversal signals are one-day events that need to be confirmed, and they get confirmed. Today, we would be looking for a lower close on Thursday to confirm that yesterday was the top for this particular move in the market. If we don't get that lower close, then the market is still in play. And of course, if we break through and close above yesterday's high, that nullifies that bearish reversal signal. Now, the world was watching Tesla yesterday, and it did trade higher, but did not give us enough to generate a buy signal here. A couple of weeks ago, we did generate a buy signal, but we waved that off because it was the big reaction day, and we were looking for fall through to the upside the next day, which we did not get. So, coming into Thursday's trading action, we're looking for a close above $253.25. Now, there's some earnings out this morning, and everybody is starting to guide lower or to warn about the future. And so we're starting to see some negative reactions to earnings, even though the previous or the earnings that they're reporting are somewhat good. They're starting to warn about the future. And so here we've got American Airlines still on a sell signal, no change there, trading lower. IBM is getting hit a little harder, and that's putting pressure on the Dow 30. We're currently trading down under the 230 level, so down here. So that would certainly generate a sell signal. Yesterday, that came back as a reconfirmation buy signal there. And of course, you're going to ignore that this morning since we're trading under 230 right now. Then looking at Pepsi, Pepsi's also down in the pre-market, still on a buy signal. No change in trend for Pepsi. Now, the VIX was able to continue to move lower on Wednesday. That could be supportive for higher stock prices going forward. Big reversal in the price of gold yesterday, and gold is actually up in the pre-market this morning. So down $125 yesterday. It's up $50, $60, $70 in the pre-market on Thursday morning. So not expecting a sell signal. Now, the TSX 60 reversed off after hitting our next price target. So congratulations. You got to lock in some profits there. There's the Vanguard Canada ETF also doing a reversal. There's the Dow 30 after trading above the upper channel line, came right down towards the low of the day, but still gapping higher. There's the S&P 500 gapping higher, right up, closing just below the lower channel line. Now, we do have a new buy signal for the equal-weighted S&P 500, for the NASDAQ 100, for the equal-weighted NASDAQ, the next generation NASDAQ, the mid caps, small caps, micro caps, and the semiconductors. Now, the micro caps generated a buy signal on Tuesday. We saw fall through to the upside yesterday, but again, a big reversal day. You can see that from the high of the day to closing at the low of the day, probably not a good sign going forward, but only time will tell. And semiconductors landed on a buy signal as of Wednesday's close. Now, looking at the Canadian market, we saw fall through to the upside for Canadian financials. Again, the big reversal from the high of the day to where we closed. Canadian banks on a buy signal right now. Looking at the energy sector, we had a pullback there. Crude oil is up about 75 cents. Still, we've got this open gap here. So that the bottom of that open gap could certainly act as resistance going forward. Gold stock sold off sharply yesterday, but again, gold is trading higher in the pre-market. That could help the gold sector on Thursday morning. So we did trade through the lower channel line yesterday, but did not close below it. So on Thursday, we would need to close below $29.45 to get us a sell signal for the XGD. Now, we looked at the Dow 30 yesterday. 3 stocks in the Dow 30 generated new buy signals yesterday, including Apple, and we had American Express and Nike all closing above the upper channel line. So if you're short any of those stocks, you want to cover those short positions. If you want to go long, maybe you take a 50% position in any of those particular stocks, and then you could add to that if the stock continues to move higher from here. Okay, folks, that's all I wanted to cover on Thursday morning. So far, it looks like the market wants to do a little bit of selling at the moment, but certainly not enough that anyone will really notice. Have a great day. Next time you'll hear my voices on Friday morning, and at that time we'll walk through the most actively traded stocks from Thursday's trading action.
Thanks for tuning in until the very end of today's stock market timing educational video. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to express your support by hitting the like button, leave a comment, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful updates. Remember, in the world of stocks, timing is crucial, and following the trend can be your greatest ally. If you would like more information on how we can help you better time the stock market, please visit theuptrend.com.